Hello, we're in Mumbai today. Let's take a look at today's case. So this gentleman ended up coming to me with a history of a hair transplant procedure done 2 years ago at another clinic in Mumbai, and on the day of the procedure he realized that the doctor whom he had consulted with was not present on the day of the procedure. So as a result of that, he ended up having cobblestoning wherever these grafts were placed. Also, you can see there are clumps of doubles, triples and forehead grafts where there should have been only singles, especially along the leading edges of the hairline, which have given him a rather unnatural, unappealing look. He is really conscious about this and wants to get his hairline softened. So today's plan is to soften his hairline by removing these clumps of doubles and triples along the leading edges of the hairline using an FUE punch, and wherever we make these punch holes we're going to place only singles. We're also going to add a little density by extracting around 1200 scalp grafts from the back, from the donor area of the scalp, and we're going to place those grafts right behind the hairline so that he gets a more natural added density in the front.